Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about users and uses of accounting information. I'm CPA Gaitho. Kindly remember to subscribe and to hit the notification bell. The lesson's objectives are to know who are the users of accounting information and to understand how these users uses accounting information. There are 9 categories of users of accounting information. That is, owners, managers, employees, suppliers, customers, government, financial institutions, collaborating partners, and general public. The first category of users of accounting information are the owners. The type of owners depend on the nature of an accounting entity. For instance, sole proprietorship are owned by the proprietors. Partnership are owned by the partners. Companies and corporations are owned by the shareholders. Cooperatives, clubs, and groups are owned by the members. Parastatals and government agencies are owned by the government. Owners uses accounting information to know the financial performance of the entity, to know the financial position of the entity, to know the changes in owners' interest in the entity, to know how solvent or liquid the entity is, and to assess the performance of the managers. The second category of users of accounting information are the managers. Managers comprises of board of directors, led by the chairman and non-executive directors, top-level managers, led by the chief executive officer and other principal officers, middle-level managers, such as heads of departments and regional managers, and lastly, lower-level managers, such as branch managers and heads of sections or supervisors. Managers uses accounting information in planning and forecasting, in organizing resources, in staffing adequately and economically, in directing activities, and in controlling and monitoring operations of an entity. The third category of users of accounting information are the employees. Employees can either be individual employees, a group of employees such as associations and unions, or third-party organization interested in employees' welfare, such as financial institution loaning the employees. Employees uses accounting information in negotiating for better terms of service, salaries, benefits, and bonuses. Third-party organizations are interested with employees' payroll information for negotiating of employees' contribution and deductions. The fourth category of users of accounting information are the suppliers. Suppliers comprises of producers of raw materials, vendors for goods and outsourced services, consultants for professional services, and contractors for projects and works. Suppliers uses accounting information to assess the ability of an entity to pay for materials provided, goods delivered, services provided, or works rendered. Suppliers also uses accounting information to negotiate for better terms of payments. The fifth category of users of accounting information are the customers. Customers comprises of manufacturers who buys entities' output as raw material for value addition, merchandisers who buys goods for distribution and resale, and consumers who are the ultimate users of goods and services. Customers uses accounting information to assess whether the entity is able to make future delivery of goods or to render services without inconveniencing them. The sixth category of users of accounting information are the financial institutions. Financial institutions comprises of banking institutions, savings schemes, investment markets, and credit bureaus. Banking institutions provide safe custody of entities' money. Savings schemes provides avenue for entity to save money for future use. Credit institution uses accounting information to assess the ability of an entity to repay borrowed money and the interest thereof. Investment markets provides an entity with opportunity to invest excess liquidity. Lastly, insurance provides an entity with opportunity to transfer the risks. The seventh category of users of accounting information is the government and government agencies. This comprises of regulators and tax authorities. Regulators uses accounting information to assess whether the financial position and the financial performance of an entity comprise with the laws and regulations. On the other hand, tax authority uses accounting information to assess and compute tax payable by an entity. The eighth category of users of accounting information are the collaborating partners. Collaborating partners are third parties who either partner or collaborate with an entity for mutual benefits. Collaborating partners uses accounting information to negotiate for mutual benefits, fees, and commissions. Some of the collaborating partners are service providers, agents, brokers, sponsors, guarantors, affiliations, and employers. Service providers offers an entity with technical and professional services. Examples of service providers are valuers, auditors, and lawyers. Agents are given authority to transact on behalf of an entity for a commission. Brokers link the entity with buyers and sellers. Sponsors provide resources on behalf of customers to clear customers' obligations. Guarantors commit to take up obligation in case of breach by the principal borrower. Affiliations are a group of parties with a common board, such as associations, unions, and federations. Employers in this case are the organization that relies on the entity to make check-off deduction from the customer's income and limit the deduction on behalf of the customers. All these collaborating partners uses accounting information to determine the nature of collaboration with the entity, as well as to negotiate for mutual benefit such as commissions and fees. The last category of users of accounting information is the general public. General public may be represented by investors, competitors, neighbors, media, activist groups, and researchers. Investors uses accounting information to make financial analysis for investment opportunity. Competitors uses accounting information to analyze the competitive advantage of an entity. Neighbors uses accounting information to request and negotiate for corporate social responsibilities. Media uses accounting information for business news coverage. Activist groups uses accounting information to lobby and advocate for public rights. Researchers uses accounting information to analyze and document new knowledge. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe our channel, Treatise of Accounting Information Systems. Like this video, leave a comment and share with others.